Hey guys, so today I have yet another package from Cubepuzl.com, and it is the Shengshou Aurora 2x2. I'm not too excited for this cube just because I haven't heard that many good things about it, but hopefully it's not as bad as I'm expecting it to be. So here's the cube, along with a Cubepuzl.com business card. So yeah, that's really cool. And the cube, here it is. So here's the cube. Immediately I can feel that it's a bit unstable, but let's turn it. Alright, it's extremely smooth and it's really fast. Corner cutting, the tensions are uneven, so, but yeah, it isn't the best. Yeah, the corner cutting deficiency, it really gives way for lockups to occur, but hopefully with tensioning, it'll become a lot better. So right now, I honestly can't say I applaud Shengshou for this 2x2 speed cube, but hopefully it'll get better and get to its highest potential. So that's the Shengshou Aurora 2x2 from Cubepuzl.com. So thank you for watching. Hope I see you again next time.